How to turn on or turn off adaptive brightness on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on display. Then in here, tap on adaptive brightness. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn off adaptive brightness, there will be an extra option will appear, and this is the extra brightness. So you can increase your brightness to the maximum, but this will use up your battery. Another way to enable or disable adaptive brightness is through the quick settings panel. So in here we swipe down at the top. Then right next to your on the brightness adjustment bar, tap on the more button right here. Then from the pop-up, tap on adaptive brightness, tap on the toggle button to toggle that option on or off. And that's it. Tap on done and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.